Black and giant tied by George Clooney. Do you want it? Do you? Huh? Oh. No, give me your taxi cab. Is he actually dead? Huh. Move, fat cop. Go eat your donuts at Krispy Kreme. Remember, if you like this video, to subscribe. Because I can pay for the hookers that are at my birthday party. Whee! I don't think. Hold on. Hey, look. Can I get in this bus? Oh, please let me get in the bus. Yes. Hello, guys. Welcome to Bus Ride Home Daily, episode 100. Yay! If you're wondering why there's not a Bus Ride Home Daily episode 100, then go watch Ghostkiller's Quest because I explain why. Oh, were these below? Oh, empties. There's empties. Why do they have empties? I want. What is that? Explode. They should have empties and shopping cart. Go to Walmart. Okay, look. Hey. Break down this wall. This is how you should always break down your doors. It's like, I don't know, there's a wall on my way. Might as well blow it up. Yeah. Oh, there's one right there. Huh. I want to check something right quick. Oh, come on. Please let me do this. Will it let me stand on it? I won't. Okay. Might as well. Boosh! I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Oh, he's still in Superman. Superman. Duperman, Jupiter. Imagine there was a superhero or supervillain called Poop Man. And it'd just be like on freaking Codename Kids Next Door. There's a toilet paper man. I forgot. Now all they need is Poop Man, and he'd be a good guy, and they'd be arch nemesis. Oh, that'd be the best. I've always wondered if you could control the rockets, because like every time I like fire. Oh, look, I'm gonna try to fire at this car. Okay, try to fire at this car. See, sometimes it does it. The other time, either glitches and And then see, look, it's just like curves. Is it like worms or something? Oh, the cops are after me. They have to catch me if they can. Whee! Superman. Do. Oh, get on the building. Land on the building. Come on, big boy. With your Rudolph, with your red nose, with your nose so bright, won't you slap my sleigh tonight? Okay, enough of me killing myself. How was your day? I know how your day was. I've been watching you in your sleep. That'd be great. Yeah, be like Night Trap. Oh, driving in my sexy Batmobile. Batmobile. Oh, you ready? Sexy Batmobile, dude. Batman. Batman. Oh, your car's broken? Boosh. Is it fixed? It's fixed. Okay. Now. Oh yeah, I forgot. No, ice cream bin. Oh, I killed him. Sweet. Okay. I said in a long time ago in a video, it was like, it was just screwing around, and I said, that one of the songs this thing plays is, like the Halloween theme. Yeah, I was completely wrong. But, this right here. Can you hear that? Do 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 do. Yeah, see that? Yeah, I thought that was Halloween. It's actually GTA 4's main theme. That, do 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 do. I suck at singing. I should go on American Idol. Simon Cowell be like, "You suck, kid." And I go right up there and be like, "Simon Cowell, I heard you don't like owls." Because you know when they come for you. Yeah, I was in your dressing room. Yeah, I was in your gravy. Even if you hide at sea. There's owls in the Navy. Simon Cowell, your days are numbered. Dun, 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 while you slumber. Ooh. Oh my gosh, Becky, look at that butt. Once if I go past here. Ha ha. Dump the body. I wasn't the body. Oh man, now my pants are wet. Wet t-shirt contest. Hey, you wanna be in the wet t-shirt contest? Here. Wet t-shirt. Wow, that cut does not give a crap. Hey, cut. You don't give a crap? Wet t-shirt contest. There you go. Freaking heck. Whee! Yeah. Hey, Andy. He's my friend. He was from the Madden when he rage quit because he was losing. I believe I can. See, the whole idea of this is to get super low and then pull your chute. Because then you have an advantage. I want this one. The long one. Because this is how long my fireman is. And the one right next to me is Jalen's. And then that white one's Ben's. And then the left one's Kevin's. Yeah. Or should I say ginger powder instead of Jalen. Yeah, riding in my bicycle. Ice cream for ice. Ice cream for butt cream. That's perfect. So yeah, I don't know if we'll be able to finish it. Are they just now? Dang, one of them's almost caught up to me. Is it Jalen? He won't be able to catch me. Cause I'm like nerdy. They see me rolling. They hate it. They see me mowing my front lawn. I'm gonna pick the slowest vehicle. If they have a scooter, holy crap, they're actually catching up to me. Alright, break. Yeah. Oh, frick. Okay, I'm gonna take this car. Oh no, wait. It's Bullet GT. How am I in second? There you go. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Come on, let's get on the road. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Okay, so it's the end of the video, but that doesn't mean you have to be. It's the end of the video, but there's 445 other videos you can go watch. So go watch them and don't worry because there's a video coming out every day and soon. So if you want to stay up with all of my videos, then go on down and click the subscribe button because then I can sit there and make it rain on my birthday. Yeah. If you like the video, give it a like on Facebook where people have no life. Yeah. Or you can give it a dislike, which then I will come to your house and I will burn it down. And you can even share it and favorite it too, but also don't forget to subscribe. Yeah! We all scream for butt cream. Let's go check out the snow really fast. Oh my gosh. Okay, so quick thing, if you watch the Quest, go watch Quest, Ghostkiller's Quest, where I showed the snow before, and then watch this video right now, and look how much snow it has gotten up. Merry Christmas!